Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another Advent Calendar unboxing. Today we have the very luxe YSL Beauty Advent Calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming Advent Calendar unboxings. Today we have another exciting luxury beauty Advent Calendar. This one is from YSL. Now it is a single brand Advent Calendar. It has 24 items inside, 4 of which are full size, 19 minis, and 1 special gift. This one retails for 495 Australian dollars, and I'm super excited to see how this holds up against the Dior Beauty Advent. So the packaging is super luxe with the black and gold accents. We lift this up here and open up the YSL doors, and inside we have a pretty gold and black design. The black and gold color scheme just pull off the luxe vibe really well. Let's go ahead and unbox this, shall we? Our first product is the Mini Rouge Per Couture lipstick in the shade 01 Rouge Extravagant. This is a very bright red color, very festive, but I am definitely put off by these weird spots here. It might be nothing, but it might be mold, and if it is, that's pretty gross and off-putting considering that this is not a cheap calendar. On to day 2, and we have the Mini DESSIN Du Regard Waterproof Eye Pencil. This is in the black color, and I love that it gives you 8 hours of wear and it's waterproof and smudge free. This is actually extra pigmented, and I love to use this on my waterline. Moving on to day 3, and we have a very cute black opium Mini Eau de Parfum. Now this is actually a perfume that I have gotten a long time ago. It does have a really nice scent to it. It's very sweet with coffee, vanilla, and floral notes. I do find this more of a night perfume because it is a little bit stronger in its scent compared to the light, airy perfumes that I use during the day. Day 4 is the Mini Mascara Volume EFFET for CILS. Now this is their cult favorite mascara. It actually adds high volume and imitates the effects of false lashes. I like that it contains argan oil to nourish the lashes too. Now that my lash extensions are out, I'm super keen to try out different mascaras. Box number 5 is the full size Rouge Per Couture, the Slim Matte Lipstick. Now this is, oh, the packaging is so sleek. I love it. I love the black and gold combination, and it's so slim too. This is in the shade 1966 Rouge Libre. This lipstick is highly pigmented, has a beautiful matte finish, and is a gorgeous deep red color. On day 6, it's another full-size product. We have the Rouge Per Couture, the Slim Velvet Radical Lipstick. Now let's check out the packaging. This one is also very sleek and very slim. I love the matte black and the black packaging together. It's another red color. We are getting a lot of reds in this calendar. This is also in the matte finish with a velvet texture, and it's in the shade 21 Rouge Paradox. Moving on to day 7, and we have the Mini Touche Eclat Blur Primer. This is their first light infused primer which evens the skin tone, blurs pores and fine lines, as well as making your makeup last longer. This primer sounds super promising, to be honest. On to day 8, and we have the Mini Rouge Per Couture lipstick once again. Now this is in the shade 21 Rouge Paradox. I'm honestly really disappointed that we got the same shade again as day 6, and day 6 was actually a full-size lipstick. I just feel like this is a missed opportunity where they could have just put in a different product. Just to confirm, this is the same lipstick as day 1, and it doesn't have the mold marks like day 1. So there was something definitely off with that first one. We have day 9, and it's the Mini Mascara Volume EFFET for CILS Radical. Guys, I had to do a double take because I was pretty sure we got this already, but then I read the word radical there and I realized it was different from day 4. Now, I am still really disappointed because I do feel like they could have picked any other product, and instead we got 2 very similar products in mascaras now. I don't even know what the difference is, to be honest. Okay, so day 10 we have the Mini Top Secrets Expert Makeup Remover. Now this is a very beautiful and gentle makeup remover. They say this is perfect for removing light or natural makeup whilst leaving your skin moisturized. This is one of those makeup removers that you have to shake before you use. Now we have day 11, and it's the Mini Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. Now the Pure Shots range is actually really good. I've tried a little bit of it before and really loved it. This is the nighttime one, which contains glycolic acid and is meant to exfoliate and nourish your skin. It's formulated with enough glycolic acid so you can use this daily and wake up without tired skin. Onto the halfway mark, and we have another mini Rouge Per Couture lipstick. This is in the shade 70 Le Nude. It's a lovely rosy pink color and it's in the satin finish. Moving on to day 13, and we have the mini MON PARIS Eau de Parfum. How cute is this packaging, you guys? Oh my gosh, I really love small perfumes like this because you can just carry it in your bag and it's super light. It also smells amazing. This has a really lovely sweet scent with notes of strawberries, raspberries, and peonies and jasmine flowers. This is a fruity floral perfume, which is my favorite kind of perfume. Day 14 is another mini lipstick. It's the Rouge Per Couture in the shade 83 Fiery Red. Another red lipstick. I'm kind of bored at this point. This one is more of a muted red color, but it's also in the satin finish. Box number 15 is the really cute YSL mirror. Now this is obviously the little exclusive gift to this advent calendar, which is so cute. It has a little ring attachment here so you can hook it onto your keys or your bag. Very cute and very convenient. Moving on to day 16, and we have the mini Pure Shots Lines Away Serum. Now this is again from the Pure Shots range, which I love. It's got hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and also smooth over fine lines and wrinkles. I really want to try this for the smile lines here. Next up is day 17, and we have the mini Pure Shots Hydra Bounce Essence in Lotion. Now this is another one from the Pure Shots range, and this is actually their lightweight and hydrating essence. This has vitamins E and B3 to help deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. It also helps to strengthen and repair your skin barrier's function, which is super promising. On day 18, it's the full-size Rouge Volupté Shine Lipstick. This is in the shade 86 Mauve Curve. Now I've actually had this lipstick before, but in a different color. And I actually got it and I was able to engrave my name onto the lipstick, which was pretty cute. This is another deep pink red color, but it's actually a sheer and high shine lipstick. Moving on to 19, and we have the mini Pure Shots Perfect Plumper Cream. Now this is actually a daily cream and it's perfect for firming and giving an instant hydration glow. I love that this one is meant to color correct too and even out the skin tone. I haven't actually tried this one, but I have heard amazing reviews on this one. Now we have day 20, and it's the full size Tattooage Couture Velvet Cream Liquid Matte Lipstick. Now this is in the shade 216 Nude Emblem, and I actually really like this color. I feel like I could wear it daily. And I also just in general love liquid lipsticks a lot more than the stick version. This is a highly pigmented velvet matte lip stain and the packaging is so sleek. On to day 21, and we have the mini Lash Clash Mascara. I actually can't believe we just got another mascara. Now this is the third mascara from the same brand in the same box. I just feel like it's a missed opportunity. So this one is also meant to be for volume, and I'm really not seeing much of a difference between the three mascaras here. Next is day 22, and it's another mini lipstick. This is the Rouge Per Couture in the shade 1966 Rouge Libre. Again, another double up shade with the full size lipstick. Very disappointed, as this could have easily been anything else. Second last day, and we have the mini Libre Eau de Parfum. Now this packaging is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. This is a floral lavender scent, but you can definitely smell some sort of orange or mandarin notes. I love these sizes because it's just perfect for bringing in your handbags. Last but not least, it's the mini Le Vestiaire de Parfum Blouse. Another mini perfume, and this one is very floral. I can smell the fresh roses. This one is very sweet and I really like it. So this is the 2022 YSL Beauty Advent Calendar. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Personally for me, I think I was really disappointed with this box. It's a very pricey one and it's a luxury beauty advent calendar, but I feel like there were a lot of repetitive colors throughout the lipsticks, and they could have included more skincare or other products, but instead we got a lot of like red lipsticks and repeats. If you are a YSL fan and you want this calendar, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. These are super limited and we are getting really close to Christmas, so don't wait around. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!